With another holiday season upon us.
Oh, don't record!
Nice. Keep it in there, Court. Hey, Katie, how are you doing? Katie right now doesn't want to get her bunny costume on. And she just put goo in her hair. See?
Okay, all right. We'll take him out. You'll still look cute, honey.
Okay, it'll still be kind of baggy. We're going to go tonight to a Halloween party. And we want you to come along with us. And we hope that Kate makes it there. See, I pushed it once. Hello, girls. How are you doing? There's Katie the goo head. And there's Court hiding behind Kate. And here we are tonight. The party has not yet begun, but here's the setup we have. And who is this lovely young police officer?